This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. Here are 14 stories that we're following today at the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. First, Spotify stock drops nearly 15%. They had great subscriber growth, but the earnings missed their target. But Spotify still is up nearly 78% year to date. So even though a tough day for Spotify, down 15%, it's still been a great year so far. Second, GM stock falls nearly 4.5% today, despite increased revenues, profits, and profit guidance. They're up about 12% year to date, but they see some headwinds coming, particularly with their labor negotiations. That's what's driving that. Third, a great article on why Walmart is trouncing Amazon in the grocery wars. This is in The Economist. Amazon's up 54% year to date. Walmart's up 12% year to date. I mean, the real reason that Amazon's being trounced here is that this is really Walmart's key business, core business, and it's something that Amazon is not really committed to that strongly. So that's why Walmart's killing Amazon here. Amazon's killing Walmart and market cap and some other things that are probably more important. Fourth, was thrilled to record today with Dr. Hoda Azmar, the Chief Physician Executive and Care Transformation Executive at Providence Healthcare, one of the great health systems in the country. Fifth, Verizon beat profit estimates and saw its wireless users rise. A good day for Verizon, a good quarter for Verizon. Its stock is nearly down 30% year to date, but some good news on the Verizon front. Sixth, Domino's, again, beat profit estimates, but were lower than expected on revenues, but still about $1 billion a quarter. The stock's up 14% year to date and up again today. Seventh, the markets are up today after a great day yesterday, so those continue to be up. Eighth, I'm thrilled to get a chance to moderate a cardiology panel at the McGuire-Woods Healthcare Conference in Charlotte in late September. So thank you to Bart Walker and Cam Marty for that opportunity. Thank you very much. I'm also ninth, excited to speak at a Stryker leadership meeting on surgery centers in August. Thank you to Stryker. Finally, two contrasting studies that we're watching, and I think these are fascinating to see how these play together. First, consumer confidence is again high on sort of rising tide, low joblessness, and some positivity in the stock market. At the same time, a Blackstone survey shows that people don't think they have enough, or more people than ever think they don't have enough money for retirement, that they're on track for retirement. So two contrasting concepts, not having enough to retire, but feeling pretty good as a consumer and where you're at now in terms of consumer confidence. So that's our 10th story today. 11th, GE up again 6% today. God bless the leadership of Larry Culp. Simply amazing what he's done. 12th, thrilled to get a chance to visit with Amber Walsh and the executive committee at McGuire-Woods, great healthcare private equity partner, on 3 thoughts on leadership today. Always thrilled to get a chance to visit with her. 13th, 3 great fall conferences and then some smaller events, but are also growing events. We've got the Becker's Healthcare, Health IT, and Digital Health and Revenue Cycle Conference in October. Also the Surgery Center, Business and Operations of Surgery Centers in late October. And finally, the Health System CEO and CFO Roundtable in November. For information on these, visit Jessica Cole, Abby Engel, Allison Warner, Allie Warner. Great leadership there. Thank you very much. Finally, thrilled to work with Chanel Bunger almost every day as a producer on the Becker Private Equity Podcast, and also excited to be finishing a book that I've been working on with Grace Keller. What a debacle this has been, as the company we were working with went belly up or broke or something like that, whatever you want to call it. And so we've had to find a new self-publisher to help us publish this thing. And it's really about building businesses, and if you make some money, not messing it up, and trying to understand how to invest, how to think about investing, and so forth. So it's a great fun to work on this book. We thought we'd have it out last year. Hopefully it'll be out sometime this year. What a process that has been, and what a learning experience as well. The $29,000 or something that I spent on the self-publisher, that is money I will never get back, but it is what it is. Hopefully I can deduct it for tax purposes. Thank you for listening to the Becker Private Equity Business Podcast, and thank you again to Chanel Bunger, Grace Keller, and the whole team at Executive Podcast Solutions. Thank you.